In celebration of World Emoji Day, Vectric and Design and Make have joined forces to bring you this awesome free project. To get started, you're going to need some free content from store.designandmake.com. Once you have a free Design and Make account set up, you can just go ahead and search for World Emoji Day, take a look through the project, and if you're happy, go ahead and download that free content. And now that we've got our clip art, let's head on over to the Vectric Labs and get it machined. Now that we have those cut, we're going to need to go over to Vectric.com, log into our VCarve account, and download the free project for the emoji stand. Make sure you've looked through these files, make sure everything is correct for your setup, and then we can head off to the machine. Download the free files today at store.designandmake.com and vectric.com.